Hi Emily. How are you today?
Hi Jack. I am fine, but I am thinking a lot these days.
About what?
About the future. About life. About 2026.
Yes. 2026 is coming very fast. Talking about time.
Sometimes I feel time is flying. Days pass quickly. Months pass quickly.
I feel the same. When I look back, I ask myself, what did I really do with my time?
That question is scary. Sometimes my answer is nothing important.
Many people feel that way. We plan a lot, but we act very little. Wasting time.
I think I waste too much time on my phone. On useless things.
Yes. Phones are useful, but they also steal our time.
I open my phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly 1 hour is gone.
That happens to me too. Social media is designed to keep us there.
After that, I feel tired and guilty. Fear about the future.
Do you ever feel afraid of the future?
Yes. Sometimes I worry about my job, my skills, and my life.
I think many people are afraid of 2026. Because they feel unprepared.
Yes. I don't want to enter 2026 with the same bad habits.
The good news is, we don't need to change everything at once.
Really?
Yes. Big changes start with small steps.
Like what?
Like waking up a little earlier. Like using the phone less. Like learning one small thing every day. Learning English.
I want to improve my English before 2026.
That is a very good goal.
English can help in jobs, travel, and confidence.
Exactly. Even 15 minutes of practice daily can make a big difference.
That sounds possible. Habits and discipline.
The future is built by habits.
Good habits or bad habits?
Yes. If we repeat bad habits, life stays the same.
And if we repeat good habits, life slowly improves.
That's right. Life reflection.
Sometimes I think, what if I start today, and by 2026 I become better?
That thought should motivate you.
Yes. I don't want to regret later.
Regret is painful. Action is powerful. Mental health and peace.
I also want peace of mind in 2026.
Peace comes from clarity. And clarity comes from discipline.
I like that idea.
Less noise. Less distraction. More focus.
Do you think life will be harder in 2026?
Life will be different. Technology will grow. Competition will grow.
So we must grow too.
Yes. If we don't upgrade ourselves, we fall behind.
Talking to you makes me hopeful.
That makes me happy.
I want to enter 2026 stronger, smarter, and calmer.
You can do that. Start today. Not tomorrow.
So the message is clear.
Yes. 2026 is coming.
And we should not waste time.
Exactly. Time is our greatest resource.
Thank you, Jack. This conversation helped me a lot.
You're welcome, Emily. Let's use our time wisely. Soft ending, optional.
2026 is coming.
Are we ready?
We can be, if we start today. Alright viewers, thank you for listening. Use your time wisely, and see you in the next conversation. Bye bye.